How to change your Moomoo account's profile picture using the Moomoo app on your smartphone. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today we are gonna learn how you can easily change your profile picture in the Moomoo mobile application. First of all, open the Moomoo app on your device and log in. Once you're logged in, go ahead and click on the Me button at the bottom of the screen. And once you open up your profile section like this, go ahead and click on your profile avatar at the top. You'll then come across this page where you'll need to click on Edit Profile at the top and then click on your profile picture option. Now, you can go ahead and create an avatar, take a photo from your device's camera, select a picture from your album, or simply view your profile picture from the menu. To create your own avatar, click on Create Avatar and wait. Now you can select a different avatar you want to change to or customize your existing avatar from the menu. Once done, click on Save at the top right and click Save once again at the top right. Now click on Done and you have created your own avatar for your profile. If you want to add your own profile picture, then you can tap on Take a Photo and click from your device's camera, or click on Select from Album and choose one of your photos from your device's camera roll. So that's how you easily change your profile picture in the Moomoo mobile application. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.